Hello everyone, I would like to show you how to use Transform and Distort tool in Adobe Illustrator to create designs that are perfectly symmetrical. This type of drawing no doubt saves more than 50% of your time. Without much ado, let's get started. Welcome to Brand and Graphics channel. My name is Vincent Annie. In a moment, we are going to be drawing a tree for a seasonal card and a fish to demonstrate how to apply symmetrical drawing. Draw a line with the line tool. Go to the property panel to increase the stroke size. Align the line to the center. Go to layers. Hold down the control key on your PC or the command key on your Mac and click on this circle. Go to Effect. Click on Transform and Distort, then click on Transform. Leave the upper settings the way they are. Come down to this array of squares. Select this square. Check this box. Number of copies, 1. Now select the brush. Double-click the brush to change settings. If you set fidelity low, you won't get a perfect smooth drawing. Now let's set it even lower. Watch this. Let's set fidelity to the highest and draw. Perfect. Observe that anything you draw on the left is mirrored live on the right. Let's quickly draw a fish. Draw the tail. Put an eye. Draw the scale. I'm not actually aiming at perfect drawing, just drawing to show you how it works. When you are done, select the entire image, go to Object and expand the appearance. Then ungroup many times. Select the line and delete. If you are getting value so far, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's quickly draw a tree for a seasonal card. Draw a line with the line tool. Go to the property panel to increase the stroke size. Align the line to the center. Hold Ctrl and select the layer. Go to Effect. Click on Transform and Distort, then click on Transform. Select this square. Check this box. Number of copies, 1. Select the brush and start drawing. Carefully. Select all and reduce the size while holding Shift plus Alt key or Option key on Mac. Expand the appearance and ungroup. Delete the line. You must have observed that some parts are not perfectly joined. Use direct selection tool to bring them together. But as for me, I use the big old select and nudge. Go to Pathfinder and unite them. By the way, I am using the left and right arrow keys to nudge the parts closer. Now select all, pick the shape builder tool, select the green color and paint. Increase the stroke size to create a semblance of drop shadow. To create dots on the tree, create a perfect circle. Change the color to yellow. Duplicate by holding down the Alt key and drag. Distribute them around. Use a rectangle to create the trunk. Change the color to brown. Send it behind by holding Ctrl plus Alt plus left square bracket. To elongate the trunk, select this part with the direct selection tool. Use the up and down arrow keys to elongate or shorten the length. Click on the artboard. Duplicate the artboard by holding down the Alt keys while you click and drag. For this version of the tree, change the yellow dots to white by using the Shape Builder tool. Hold the Alt key and click. Draw a star. Go to the Pathfinder panel to unite them. Add brown fill. Position the star well. Remove the stroke. Group them together. And here we have our tray for the seasonal greeting card. Thank you for watching this channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.